First we have to prepare the batter, for which we have taken a mixer jar and to which we will add Suji or Semolina or Rava. I've taken a 7 tablespoon of Rava, 3 tablespoons of Maida, dahi, I've taken here slices of bread, removed the edges and cut it into small pieces. Now I will add them. I've taken 4 slices of bread. To this we will add some water. Now we will grind this in the mixer grinder. The mixture is now ready. Now we will transfer it into a bowl. I've transferred the mixture into a mixing bowl. Now I will add onions, chopped garlic, chopped gingers, chopped green chilies, chopped carrots, chopped capsicums, spring onions, chopped coriander leaves, one teaspoon ginger garlic chili paste, and salt to taste. Now we will mix all of this nicely. The mixture is now ready. It's time to fry the uttapam. First grease the dosa tawa with oil and then we will use the batter. So the instant bread uttapam is ready. It's very delicious and very easy to prepare. It does not need any prior preparations. You can have this for breakfast, lunch, snacks or dinner. This is very tasty. I hope you will try this at home, and for more details of the recipe, do check the description box below. Thank you.